Hello everyone! Chapter 3, Lt6. I love me some inverses because it's all about geometry. So excited.
Slow her down.
This is Miss Osher.
And Miss Lahar. I don't know if I can work with her right now. She's really giddy.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Finding
Switch X and Y.
Switch
Guys,
X and Y.
this is reflecting over the line y equals x. You did this last year in geometry. We're reflecting. We're switching y and x. Yes.
She has a twinkle in her eye, peeps. It's pretty sickening over here.
Nice.
Oh, no, the answer. I hate when the answer pops up.
It's okay.
All right, so find the inverse and then graph the function and its inverse. So let's go to linears.
When you think inverse, you need to think what we just said. Switch your x and y.
Now it's going to be in function notation. Don't freak yourself out.
No.
There's no y. Oh, no, where's the y? Remember, f of x represents the y.
Okay, so now we switch them. We switch those bad boys.
Switch those bad boys, subtract 1.
And now we have to solve for the new y.
Yep, we got to solve for y. So subtracted 1, we multiply by the reciprocal.
This
so the
doesn't say x
reciprocal.
minus 3. This says times -3. Just throwing that out there in case you're confused.
I'm multiplying by the reciprocal there.
Yes.
So negative 1/3. The reciprocal is -3/1. That's why I did that. So then I just distribute it, and there we go. So there it is in function notation. F to the -1 of x equals -3x plus 3. That stands for inverse.
This stands for inverse. This is function notation. Make it pretty, people. Make it pretty.
Yep.
And you guys know how to graph this.
Okay. There's the first one, y-intercept of 1, down 1 over 3. And then the other one would be up 3 y-intercept. Did I do them right?
But you just switch your x and y. So if you're at 0, +1, you're now at 1, 0. If you're at 0, 3, you're now at 3, 0. You guys know how to do this because you know how to reflect. Yeah.
All right, let's do others.
Look at that line.
Oh, I did throw it in there.
The line of reflection.
All right, so not only linears, come on, that's baby steps. Now we got to do some other ones. So this is a polynomial expression.
So
Still the same situation.
Yep, we're going to switch x and y. Remember, h of x represents y. Subtract your 2. Divide by 2 next. Be careful. And then take the 5th root
Of both sides.
Which is really pretty, I know.
Now, I think I might have also said you can technically write that with a fractional exponent. You
Same
know?
thing.
Power over root, whatever
Power
works
over
for
root.
you.
Power
Some
over
of you are afraid of your radical sign.
Make it pretty at the end.
Make it pretty.
Would also like to remind you that not every function is f. Although f is used the most common, pay attention to what your function was called.
Yep. All right, so this is a cube. So how do you get rid of something that's cubed?
How do I get rid of a cube root?
Oh, a
I
cube
cube it.
root. Oh, I said it.
Look at us go. That's
You
okay.
cube both sides, or you erase both sides to reciprocal. Remember, that's just y minus 1 quantity to the 1/3. So the reciprocal is 3/1.
Look at us go.
So then that goes away.
Add your 1.
Add your 1, there's your
Make it
equation.
pretty. Look at us go. Switch your x and y. Oh, I'm scared it's in the exponent. I don't know.
Oh, we have our magic tricks now. So you multiply by 4. Now, how do I get that exponent?
Anytime I have a variable in the exponent, I should be thinking of
Logs.
So, log base 6 of 4x equals y. Look at it. It's beautiful. And make it pretty in the end. Oh, no, we don't have to make it pretty. It is pretty because it was y to begin with.
Yep, I should have made it function
No,
notation.
it was fine. It was pretty.
Okay,
Pay
so
attention.
now another one, just again giving you another example. You add 8 over. I don't know why I did 2 of those.
Just because these are scary to people because people got scared with logs.
Yep,
So we
log,
just
the
wanna
base is what you're raising to.
Yeah,
the
we got
exponent is what a log is equal to. Ooh, E.
E.
Ooh, ah, ah.
Ooh, e, ooh, ah.
Sorry, I just went there.
It worked really well. So we're going to multiply by 4 after we switch.
Okay.
Now, remember, with E, we should be thinking of natural log. You can write base E if you want to, but remember, base E is implied. But it's the same thing that we were doing, just it's ln instead of log.
I still can't get
E.
them. That came.
That was really good. That was full
Bing,
improv,
bing.
people. We didn't plan that.
All right, the next one. Again, switch your x and y is the first step.
Okay, second step
Rewrite.
is to rewrite because you might be thinking, no, a second step is to add 7. Because those are together in those parentheses. So we have to rewrite it.
So we rewrote it.
Boom.
And then we are getting the y by itself, so we just had to add 7 over.
We're awesome.
Same thing with a natural log, so we switch the x and the y.
Rewrite
and
it.
then rewrite it. And then divide by -2.
Boom.
You know?
Ladies and gentlemen, inverses. If you remember the following, switch your x and y. You're doing it right.
That's step 1.
Have a fantastic day. We'll see you in class.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ding, ding.